Alkaline metals actually react with halogens also, but they react on heating, that means at high temperature, forming their respective halides. So we have seen that like beryllium fluoride and beryllium chloride are somehow covalent because of the small size, and but the rest of the halides are actually ionic. So as far as the reactivity towards the halogen is concerned, they follow the same order. That means this thing reactivity goes on increasing down the group as the ionization energy is decreasing and the size is somehow increasing. So this is what is the reaction with halogens. So we have almost finished with the basic chemical properties. Now we are we'll be studying actually the detailed properties, that is the compounds actually, oxides, hydroxides, halides, and how and their solubility also in water, or they are thermally stable or not. But otherwise, if you talk about the general properties, we have finished with the general chemical properties. So look at the board, because you often get question like that based on the halide stability or the nature of the halides or how it exists in nature. These are the basic ones which I have discussed till now. So now we'll take up the oxides, hydroxides, oxyacids, halides and all. So just look at the board carefully.